Hey guys, welcome to Eaton House Studio. My name's Chris, and today we're going to be making some festive drinks for the holiday season. So here we have the pink House Bubbly, made with Perrier Jouet, an absolute favourite here at Eaton House Studio. So this is really simple, this one. You just want to take the champagne here. Nice little way of opening it. We've garnished this one with a hibiscus flower, just to make it extra special. So you just take a lovely little flower like that and drop it in the bottom of the glass. Once you've done that, just top the champagne. We've gone for a rosé champagne here, again keeping in theme with the pink house drinks. And there you have our favourite here, the pink House Bubbly.